Milwaukee M18 FUEL D-handle jigsaw review. The honest truth about cordless powerproof. Still dragging a cord across your workbench every time you need a curved cut? Or worse, fighting a weak cordless saw that bogs down mid-cut? If you work with hardwood, laminate, or sheet metal, you know how frustrating that hesitation feels. The blade chatters, the edge splinters, your rhythm breaks. You want speed, control, and clean lines without compromise. That's exactly where most jigsaws fall short. But what if cordless no longer meant underpowered?
Here's the daily reality. You're trimming out cabinetry, cutting sink openings, or shaping flooring around tight corners. Precision matters. Yet many jigsaws either lack speed or vibrate so much that you spend extra time sanding rough edges. Corded models solve the power issue, but introduce another problem. The cord constantly catches, limits positioning, or gets dangerously close to the blade. Over time, those small interruptions add up. Slower workflow, extra fatigue, more corrections. And when runtime becomes unpredictable, productivity drops again. You hesitate before starting long cuts because you're unsure the tool can finish strong. That hesitation costs momentum. Professionals need consistent blade speed, minimal deflection, and real runtime that lasts through demanding applications. There has to be a better way to get corded performance without the cord holding you back, right?
Then everything changed with the Milwaukee M18 FUEL D-handle jigsaw 27-20. This bare tool is built around a power state brushless motor, delivering up to 3,500 strokes per minute, actually exceeding many corded models. Don't just pick any cordless jigsaw. Make sure it has a high output brushless motor capable of 3,500 strokes per minute, so you never experience bogging down in hardwood or laminated board again. Pair it with an M18 red lithium XC 5.0 battery, and it can cut up to 105 linear feet of 3/4 inch laminated particle board on a single charge. That's real, measurable productivity. The D-handle design gives you natural downward pressure for plunge cuts and tight curves. The 4-position orbital action lets you switch from aggressive material removal to ultra-clean finish cuts. Tool-free blade changes keep you moving. Tool-free bevel detents at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees lock in accuracy fast. Quick question. Do you want raw speed or controlled precision with speed? With the variable speed trigger and integrated LED plus blower, you get both.
A master finish carpenter admitted he trusted only corded jigsaws for 20 years, until this one replaced his on-site model. A flooring installer reported noticeably less vibration and smoother cuts around trim and registers. Online ratings reflect that confidence, with 4.7 out of 5 stars across verified buyers and 100% recommendation in sampled reviews. One user cut reinforced sheet metal without hesitation. Another said it made his previous corded saw look pretty bad. From a technical standpoint, RedLink Plus Intelligence actively protects against overload while maintaining output, which explains the consistent performance under stress. In practical use, the balance feels solid at about 5.6 pounds with battery attached. It's not the lightest tool, but it's built for durability and control. That distinction matters.
The Milwaukee M18 FUEL D-handle jigsaw 2737-20 gives you corded level speed, clean precision, and the freedom of cordless workflow in one rugged platform. Join thousands of professionals and serious DIYers who've already upgraded their cutting experience inside the M18 system. If you're ready to eliminate cords without sacrificing performance, this is a smart next step. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it. Just click and see for yourself. Build smarter, cut cleaner, work freer.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.